Alright, so in this video, we just played with this guy. I believe you can see the color of the light changing. Okay, color of light changing. Now, here is the breakdown. This was going on here. So we are making use of this, which is known as what? BGR. Okay, you can see it right there. BGR. The B is for blue, the G is for green, and the R is for red. So remove everything. Okay, so just show you everything what's going on. So if you observe, you see that there are 4 pins. I mentioned 3, right? Saying BGR. Now if you look, you will see a minus sign there. Okay, if you look, you see a minus sign there. So BGR, and then a minus. That minus is ground. So the blue, the green, and the red pin all will be connected to what? Power. Okay, will be connected to power. And then the negative, which is that minus sign there, will be connected to what? To ground. And this guy will turn on. That's just it. Okay, so, but of course, this is an LED, light emitting diode. So we connect them through a resistor. Okay, through a resistor. So that's the blue going to ground. Going to positive. Of course, there's nothing connected here for now. So then through another resistor, we'll connect the next color to positive again. So that means we are mixing all colors. All colors are mixed here. That's all colors. Blue, green, and red. Okay. Now we can also connect with another resistor. Connect the last pin, which is, I think that's red. Yes, red, to live. We can do that. But there's one funny thing I just did. Connect that one to what? A potentiometer. Okay. Connect that last pin to what? A potentiometer. Now, a potentiometer is also a resistor, but a variable resistor, meaning you can change the values just by adjusting this guy. You can change how much resistance it gives. So, of course, that one goes to the center pin. So the center pin enters there. Center pin of the resistor. Okay. And then, of course, one side goes to ground. Did I say resistor? Variable resistor. So one side goes to ground, which is the negative rail. One side goes to ground. And the other side goes to positive rail. Okay. So with this now we have all the the BGR connected. But we've not connected the ground. So we'll do that right now. Connects the ground. But enter. Good. So to the ground. So that's it. That's it. Then we just, I think I need one more wire here. Balance these guys. Yeah. Okay, then we are going to power this rail. This will go to the battery negative, and this will go to the battery positive. Okay, so I think I've made a video talking about breadboards. That's all these parts. You see this negative, all here, all this line, they are all connected. You see that blue line? Everything, they are connected internally. Then for the red, everything connected internally like this. But for these other parts, like this, connected, 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 connected. Not like this, but like this. Okay, so this guy is like this. So by the time we take this one to the negative and positive, you see our guy lighting up there. Okay, so adjusting this one, meaning I am reducing how much, I think it's, okay, it's the red pin I connected to this potentiometer. So I'm adjusting it, and it affects how much red you have there. So blue mixed with green mixed with red. Now I am adding the red, so you see the color changes. If I had 2 other potentiometers, okay, I would have connected this and this and this, like this one to a potentiometer, this one to a potentiometer. 3 pins for the colors, right? I connected just one to a potentiometer. If I had 2 other potentiometers, these other 2 will also be connected to a potentiometer, meaning I'll be adjusting red, adjusting green, and adjusting blue. That will make this guy, different colors. All right, so that's just it. Thank you. So you know how artists mix red, green, and blue to give different colors. Like if I want yellow now, there are colors I will turn on. Okay, a combination of colors I will turn on to give me yellow. If I want purple, there are combination of colors red, blue, green. I will turn on to give me that. So just like an artist mixing colors. So this is how we do our mixing. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.